Hello everybody, great to be here at Omnia Makerspace. My name is Timo Pastela and I'm here to tell you briefly about Ainak. We are an exciting international startup focusing on mixed reality. How to bring the future to the present just with your mobile phone. We sell our software to businesses to redesign spaces by placing furniture machines to the existing space using augmented reality. So you could, for example, redesign this space simply by taking a mobile phone and placing, for example, new furniture equipment here using augmented reality, and then saving these results to the web so that anybody can see them, share them, and collaborate on them. In our marketing communications, visual media and especially videos are in very important roles. So we have used videos successfully also earlier, and I will show you a video which I've made in the past here. Look carefully because that will give you some ideas about us and what kind of videos we have been doing. So here you can see a video we have been shooting through our old version of our mobile application, and we are going to use this kind of application also in the future, our new versions, and we are going to make a new version of this video which will bring it to the completely new level. So any ideas which you can get from this video, those will be helping us to make it really a widespread, globally interesting video for different people. So the video will be available for you as a link, and you can look at it, generate ideas, and see how to excite people. So if you're excited, welcome to join Ainak International team for this cool video exercise. And if you get more excited, there's also a chance that we can find more similar projects in the future, because videos are very important for us. Kiitoksia, tervetuloa mukaan oppimaan paljon uutta jännittävän mixed reality-teknologian ja kansainvälisen tiimin kanssa.